I'm a goofball and I like to dance.
What makes me me? I'm a badass. I do what I want. I have no rules. I am who I am.
What makes me me? The shirt explains it all.
I like being in the city. I like the excitement and I like the holiday atmosphere.
Dear Santa, what makes you you?
What makes me me?
Yeah.
Probably my loud-ass Italian family.
My friends.
What makes me me? Family and text messaging.
I am the best robot dancer on the planet.
What makes me me is that I come from an immigrant family.
Okay, I sell candles during Christmas and I love it.
I'm tall.
Dance.
Where I came from, my family, my friends, all influenced the person I am today.
What makes me me is this heart.
What makes me me is my outgoing personality.
Alright, I like tight pants and music.
Well, if I had to say what makes me me, I would probably say it's my hat collection.
My Chicago accent makes me me.
Power tools and wood.
What makes me me? I can turn any situation into the most awkward situation.
Flannel and crosswords.
What makes me me? I'm not scared to say what's on my mind. I'm big and Hawaiian.
What makes me me? Caffeine and peanut butter.
I'm a transforming robot. What makes me me is education.
My beliefs. Jesus makes me me. I make me me because I'm great. No, I'm just kidding.
What makes me me? I enjoy life. I guess what I'd say, well, what makes me me is I wouldn't really know how to answer that without being, I don't know, kind of like self-praising myself, because there's a lot of things that make me, me, I don't know, rugged handsomeness, good sense of humor, love long walks on the beach. I'm looking for a soulmate that really understands that. I'm so I went back and bought me another Fifth Avenue because it tastes good.